अस्सलाम वालेकुम मिस। Teacher, I take brochure.
Okay. You don't share your picture in WhatsApp?
Teacher, I will. Can I? Teacher, can I share you my picture with you?
जी share. Assalamualaikum everyone.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Hamad, better do recitation first quickly. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ويل لكل همزة لمزة الذي جمع مالا وعدده أنه ماله أخلده كلا لينبذن في الحطمة وما أدراك ما الحطمة نار الله الموقدة التي تطلع على الأفئدة إنها عليهم موصدة في أمد ممددة صدق الله العظيم.
Better share your picture. I want your picture as well, Fahad. Fahad, send me picture through WhatsApp or through university, okay? And add your own picture as well. G, anyone else make it?
Miss, 1 minute.
G, Aisha, you did not make it with him? Ali Ahmed is joining the class. G, bete. Who else made kindly share?
मिस मैं आपको रात तक सेंड कर दूंगा आपके पर्सनल नंबर में।
Okay, bete, no issue.
थैंक यू मिस। टीचर मैं भी।
Okay, bete.
मैं भी टीचर पोर्टल पे भी कर दूंगा।
Okay,
टीचर मैंने इसलिए नहीं बनाया क्योंकि टीचर मैंने इसलिए नहीं बनाया क्योंकि आज हमारे सुबह से लाइट गई है, नहीं तार डल गए यहाँ पे।
No issue, but submit today, bete. Through WhatsApp, you can share your picture, add your own picture as well. Okay?
ओके मिस।
Okay. Fahad will be joining little late today. No. Umar Mahmood will be. Okay. Very good, Fahad. Fahad is creating pictures. Wow, Fahad. Super. Wow. Very nice. Excellent job, Fahad. Little bit prominent your name na, Fahad. With black pointer prominent your name. आपका नेम प्रोमिनेंट नहीं हो रहा ना, ब्लैक से अपना नेम प्रोमिनेंट कर लीजिए, ठीक है? वाह, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. Just prominent your name from black pointer or something. Very good, bete. I'll be waiting for other as well to share. So you all can share your pictures as well through WhatsApp. ठीक है?
ओके
You know, today I forgot about the class now. That's why I joined 2 minutes late.
हमने फोल्ड करने की नहीं होते ना टीचर हमने फोल्ड करके बना सकते हैं
हाँ, you can bete any. You can make in any manner. It's up to you. You can make in booklet pattern, for example. Look at this. If you wish to make in this manner, two-sided. In a book manner, it's fine. But if you want to make in this manner, look at this. In this manner, it's up to you. Okay?
Okay. Because
It's all up to you. I want your own creativity. Okay?
okay.
Okay. More students are joining us. Let me allow them.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Please,
Miss,
bete,
only
open the
9
video of yours.
students joined. Miss, only 9 students joined the class.
So everyone know now what you have to include in that brochure.
Yes. Yeah, but fast forward, please.
Okay.
Remind us, please.
Yesterday we did what we did yesterday. Who will tell? Aisha, you will tell. जी unmute yourself और बताएं what we did yesterday.
Position picture.
जी बेटे आयशा.
Composition.
Kiran is also joining us.
यहाँ से जाओ क्लास से
जी जी अम्माद आप बताएं हमने क्या किया था बेटे. What we did yesterday. Give a brief review.
Composition.
Composition. Which kind of composition we did yesterday?
Picture is.
Okay. Do you know
And
what
we
is
also miss and you also tell the happiest moment of our
Oh.
life.
Okay. जी किरण शफीक, what do you want to ask बेटे?
अभी आई हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं. Kiran, when you join the class, na sit properly, please. You have to sit properly. Beta, you are in the class right now, so be attentive or in a proper manner. Take a pencil and a rough copy for practicing and sit in a proper manner. Ji Fatma Mateen beti, where are you? And Ahmed Afzal beti. Okay. You should be very attentive when you are taking a class, okay? जी बेटे. First, open the video, sit in a proper manner. Then start sharing.
खाला कॉपी चाहिए.
ये लीजिए. Okay. Very good, Wafa. Wafa, capture a picture and send me through WhatsApp. ठीक है, Wafa? Just capture picture and send me through WhatsApp with your name. And I want your picture as well. Hold the copy in your hand.
Okay.
And take the pictures. ठीक है?
Teacher, I will send you after class.
Okay, no issue, but I'll be waiting today. ठीक है?
ये क्या हुआ?
जी Sameer and Kirat, both of you open videos. Ahmed Afzal, where are you? Be attentive. Okay. चलें आज सालमान से खेलते हैं. ठीक है? Let more students join the class. चलें. Where are you? Okay. Now Sameer open the video. Very nice. Fahad, Ahmed Afzal, Kirat, I want all of you open the video. ठीक है? Kirat, please open the video. Shamir, you as well, bete. Okay. Now come on. चले warm up करते हैं. Teacher says stand up. All of you stand up. Teacher says sit down. Teacher say touch your nose. Teacher say clap your hand. Ahmed Afzal, you are not doing. Do take part na bete. Okay. Teacher say clap slowly. Slowly. Okay. Fatematin, do it. Okay. Teacher says stand up. Teacher says sit down. Teacher says stand up. Teacher says sit down. Okay. Now good. Very nice. Okay. Did you enjoy the warm-up activity? Okay, that's really great. Chale. Okay, about which topic you want to communicate, about which topic you wish to do today. Chale, today I'm giving a choice to you. Okay, one by one I'll be asking everyone. Ji Amma, share your favorite topic which you want to continue today.
This tomorrow lecture.
Okay. Ji Papa, which one is your favorite one? आप बताएं.
Miss Tomorrow's one.
Okay. जी फहद, आप बताएं.
Tomorrow's one.
Okay. Ahmed Afzal, your one? Ahmed Afzal, share which topic you wish to do. Okay. Samir, you share.
Sir, tomorrow once.
Okay. Ali Ahmed, you share.
Teacher, tomorrow one.
Fatma Mateen and Shamir, bete, you share. Fatma Mateen, speak up.
Tomorrow one.
Shamir, आप बताएं.
Tomorrow once, teacher.
And Umar, you share. Which topic you wish to do?
Miss, comprehension.
Okay, comprehension. ठीक है. And Ahmed Afzal, you did not share.
Story writing. Miss, comprehension and story writing.
Okay, you wish to do a story. Shall we share a story today?
Yes.
Okay, that
class. Year
that will be
3.
more
Year 3
interesting,
की
na?
books.
Okay.
Year 3 की books रखी हुई हैं.
Okay. You all were saying, okay, Wafa wish to share something. Ji Wafa bete.
Teacher, would you like to tell about assessment and paper?
Second and speak clearly, bete. I did not get the sentence of yours.
वहाँ पर गाना ढाल के शमीर.
Umar. Be attentive. Wafa bete, again repeat the sentence of yours, bete.
Teacher, would you like to tell about assessment and paper?
Okay, about assessment paper. Okay. Like assessment is very easy. Whatever topic we did now, all the things will come. Adverb, preposition, this all we are practicing now. Do practice all these topics. ठीक है dear? जी शमीर बेटे.
Okay.
टीचर, टॉपिक्स तो वही होंगे. टीचर, मार्क्स कितने होंगे? सबके मार्क्स बता दें.
Definitely
All of them.
separate marks you will be getting for every single topic. A complete
how-
paper I won't be giving in the manner like one question of 100 marks. I can't give now. So
Teacher,
definitely.
one your paper, English paper, one is of 30 marks. How much marks?
This will be a
Exam
surprise for you. Okay? When you will receive assessment, na, this is a surprise for you. ठीक है. But the topic which we did in this zero term, it will come like we did adverbs, preposition, homonyms, homographs. Fine. Preposition, all kinds of preposition, homonyms, homographs, homophones, and composition we did, picture composition we did, comprehension we did. Fine. We did type of sentences and its kind. Clear? So practice all these topics. All these topics will come. ठीक है dear? Okay. Coming to topic. You all were saying that tomorrow's topic. Tomorrow means the day which will come tomorrow. Fine. And yesterday means the day that is already past. ठीक है? So we have to, if we are talking about yesterday, the day that has been past. Past moment, that is yesterday, not the tomorrow. ठीक है? Tomorrow तो वो होगा ना बेटे, that will come tomorrow. ठीक है dear? So if you wish to review the yesterday's topic, so you have to say, Miss, share yesterday's topic. ठीक है ना? Okay. Now is that clear to everyone? Show thumbs up sign to me. Very good. Always use two options you're having in Zoom. If you wish to ask question, raise hand. After getting answer, lower the hand. If the topic is clear, thumbs up. ठीक है? Or if you want to appreciate something, clap. ठीक है ना? These are the Zoom options. ठीक है ना? You have it. These are, don't do in action because these are available in Zoom. Am I clear? All these options are available in Zoom. ठीक है जी. So I'm continuing yesterday's topic. So yesterday we did about the happiest moment. Today we can did about the moment which make you laugh a lot. ठीक है? So who will share first? The moment which make you laugh. Yes, Aisha. You are in very serious mood now. Today you will share first. Any joke, anything? In that everyone started to laugh. Your any habit which make us laugh. Yes, wait, Ahmad, Umar. I think so many points came now in the mind. Ji Aisha, share kare. Any moment of the previous class? I think the mic is not working now. Aisha, adjust the mic bete.
टीचर वो एयरपॉड्स पे कर रही है तो ब्लूटूथ का मसला होगा.
Okay. Okay, Aisha is setting something now. Hamad, you do first.
Okay, miss. When
Ji,
my
sure.
sister threw water on the floor, I slipped from the water. So my sister laughed so much.
Oh, wow. So did you enjoy the moment?
Yes.
Or did you get hurt as well?
Yes.
Chot bhi lagi tholi ji. Okay. Very funny. Yes, Uman, now you share.
मिस कहते हैं एक कोई मैं यूट्यूब में वीडियो देखता हूँ था एक कोई चैनल था वेट 90 सही है.
Okay.
तो
Speak in English. Speak in English. You have to complete in English. The whole communication should be in English.
okay wait.
Ji.
So that happened.
Yes. Now share the moment.
They did. What happened? They were using a Zoom call. Literally, there was a T-Rex costume that came from the someone was wearing a T-Rex costume and he just fell from the floor into the couch.
Okay. Very nice. Okay, who else wish to share? Fahad, आप share करें. You are looking very na. You really wish to share ना? Share it now. Fahad, आप बताएं. Fahad तो हमेशा mood में होते हैं ना. कुछ ना कुछ शरारत करने के, है ना? Now share any habit which make us laugh. चलें. Okay. Till you are discussing, Sameer, you share please. Ji Sameer. Few minutes we have, bete. The other will have to get the chance. Quickly speak up.
Teacher, my friend and me playing cricket, and my friend are batting and I am bowling. टीचर, जब मैं बॉलिंग कराने आया तो मैं गिर गया था, स्लिप हो गया था, तो सब दोस्त मेरे ऊपर हंस रहे थे.
Oh, wow. चोट लगी थी? Okay. Now Fatma Mateen, your turn. Fatma Mateen, speak up, bete. You are not audible, dear. I'm unable to get the voice of yours. Okay, till Fatma Mateen, adjust the audio, bete. Adjust the microphone and headphone of yours. Ali Ahmed, you share till then. जी Ali Ahmed,
टीचर मेरी जो हैप्पी लाफिंग मोमेंट था कि जब मैं बॉलिंग करवा रहा था तो गलती से मेरे हाथ से बॉल छूट गई ना, तो फिर वो आगे जोर से मेरी सर पे वापस लग गई.
Oh, very unfortunate. Okay, try to communicate in it. The major purpose of this activity is to make you speak. So try to communicate in English. Fine. Why we are doing this activity? I want you all to communicate. Okay. Umair, after when all will share, now after that I'll be giving again. Ji Wafa, share it, bete. Ji Wafa, bete, speak up.
Teacher, my happiest moment, no, when my brother throw water on the floor and
Very good. And who slipped? Yes, unmute yourself, Wafa. When your brother did, what happened after that?
so I will slip down and get laughing.
So did you get angry on brother?
Yes.
Did you annoy? What you did in reaction? Did you get angry on him? Why you did so? Did you say why you did so? We do in the manner now. If the brother disturb us. Okay, yes, Kirat, share it. Ji Kirat. Ji Kirat, now share it, bete. Unmute yourself and then do take part. Ji bete, speak up.
Teacher, I am playing with dolls, but
Ji.
my friend broke my dollhouse.
Oh. So it's very sad moment, na? Okay. Fatma Mateen, you are not coming in the video, bete. And Ahmed Afzal, you as well, bete. I want you to come in video, please. Okay. Now fine. Okay. Yesterday we did the happiest moment. Today we did the funniest moment. Yes, Ahmad wish to share something. Ji Ahmad, bete, share it.
No, sir, I share one more laughing moment of my life.
Okay, share it now.
When I cycling my cycle, I fell down from the cycle. My all friends are laughing.
Oh, very nice. Okay, Shamir, now your turn. Kirat, be attentive.
It was not with me. It was with my brother.
Kirat, sit properly, please. You're in the class right now.
I was drinking the water, and I was sitting in on the chair. There was a floor, and my mother was cleaning it with water. My brother is come. It was fall down, and I had plenty
Oh,
of water after.
okay. That's the funny moment, huh? You enjoyed that. So who got angry on that?
Teacher, my brother,
Kisko
because I
आया
do
गुस्सा
not
है?
tell him.
Okay. Brother get. Okay, really nice. Bete, please, Kiran, I want you to sit properly. Yes, Umar, you wish to share something. Yes, Umar, now.
You know memes?
Okay.
Memes.
Umar,
Do you
your
know
name is
memes?
Umar or Umar?
Umar.
Okay, you are Umar Mahmood. Okay, fine. I often call you Umar, no? You never stop me.
Yes. Miss, वो भी same ही
Stop,
तो है.
no? Teacher, this is
Umar.
not my name.
वैसे अगर आप यहाँ से ये भी बोल सकते हैं कोई सा भी ना मेरा नाम दो टाइप से आता है एक UMAR UMER OMAR.
Oh, there are several spellings of yours. Go for only one. ठीक है ना? Okay. Now share the moment.
Miss, do you know memes? Memes.
You know, you got very good name, Marshall. Now share the name.
You know the latest meme? Coffin dance.
Okay.
नहीं तो कभी coffin dance का कभी.
Okay. Now, Fahad wish to share something. Okay, the class time ended, I think. Quickly, Fahad, speak up, bete. Quickly. Do you have the second block? We are crossing the time now. Quickly. Okay.
मेरी बड़ी वाली साइकिल के बाहर फ्लैट के बाहर चला रहा था अचानक से पत्थर आया साइकिल के साथ गिरा और बच्चे
Very good. Really feel very happy to listen, all of you. Please, better try to communicate in English throughout the session, throughout the class. Why we are doing all this speaking activity to make you speak well. Okay? So try to communicate in English, and during the class time, sit very active, sit very attentive, please. You have to sit nicely in a proper manner. Especially Kirat, you have to sit in a proper manner during the class time, dear. Please. Take all of you. All are going great, mashallah. Do practice all the topics. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Tomorrow we'll be doing about which thing make you angry. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. That's very nice. Allah Hafiz.